Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I created this easy drawstring bag. The main body of this bag is two 17 by 22 inch rectangles. Also with two 3 by 6 inch rectangles. The first thing is take those 3 by 6 inch rectangles and fold them half and sew them up the long side. These will create your bottom loops for the rope to go through. With those sewn, go ahead and turn them right sides out. And also give them a good press. I made sure the seam was actually in the middle of the loop. That way it's hidden when I fold it in half. And just set those aside. With your two big rectangles, go ahead and put those right sides to right sides. And then from an inch from the bottom on each of the sides, sandwich your loops in between them. And then you will go ahead and sew up the three sides, leaving the top open. Just make sure you do not sew about 3/4 of an inch from the top. This will allow you to fold it over to make your channel for the rope to go through. Fold the top of the bag down on itself to create a channel. You want to make sure you leave the sides open, that way the rope will actually be strung through those openings. And then go ahead and sew your channel. For the rope, I just used some cotton white rope that I had on hand. You want about 4 yards of this, and you're going to string this through the channel on one side, go down to the bottom loop that it comes out on, and then string it back up through the other side and down through the other loop. That way it creates a shoulder straps and the drawstring part of the bag. And then go ahead and tie off those ends, and you have now created your drawstring bag. This is a really easy and fast project. This took me maybe about 30 minutes from start to finish to create. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.